video what's been going on with Nas100 today. So as you can see, I was extremely bullish on Nas. Obviously, it's still in a bullish uptrend, but we have got a major pullback. This was the buy I was looking at yesterday when I dropped it in the chat, so it was around here, which we did have a little bit of a reaction. The first fib onto there to there was coming down to the zone. Wasn't a small buy, but then basically risk free because obviously it went 1-to-1. Then if we look here, this was where what me and Godgift was discussing in the video was we had this level here, so we call that like an equal high there. Equal high, breaks the downside, took these lows out, then pulls back and then another equal high. And then that's where then we had the massive fall down in the open of the market. So we drop down then to the smaller time frames. We've got your equal highs here. 4 o'clock it had an open jet, so you could have waited for a break of these zones here. And your 15-minute, that would have been a beautiful entry there. You had the lows here. Broke to the downside. You also had a break and retest there. That there would have been a beautiful entry. I'm currently in a buy at the minute. It is currently risk-free. It's already 1-to-2. So as soon as it gets to 1-to-1, I normally go risk-free. Plus with the time of day it is. I'm in that buy because on the 1 hour, we've got the lows here. On the fib, that is that blue line there. And we have had a rejection on the 15 there. So now we've got a similar thing that was happening up here. Then on down there. So we've got the low, pushed up, low, didn't create a new one, pushed up, took them out here. Come back down, retested, and then took off to the upside. On the 5-minute, that looks a little bit more clearer. Got a low there. There's your highs. Low. Break, retest. And that would have been your entry. Hopefully everyone got paid today and didn't get caught out. See you tomorrow.